Hey guys, it's J-Man number 1 here. I'm playing Animal Jam again. I tried to make a video, but it's too long. We're just gonna go into kind of Jam and Township or wherever. Oh, here's my wife, guys. My wife is online. Yeah.
And they're gonna have a kid tomorrow.
We're gonna have
that'll
a
be
kid.
his next video, right?
Yep. The next video, me having my kid. Where is she? Hey. I'm about to tell them you all are on video. Hold on, where is she? I gotta tell them. There they are. Oh wait, no, it's right here. Oh my goodness. I'm getting mixed up. She said, really?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna test it out again.
I said, yeah. Okay, I'll friend her. Oh man, I have another full buddy list. Hold on, let me delete this person right here. Yep.
Oh! It's cute that this person said this.
She said yes. Amen. I'm about to tell her Jay.
Kira. Leave me home! Miss me up.
I'm going to Savani. By the way, guys, Luna Tunes is right here making her own video.
Yeah. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. That's me.
Yep.
J-Man.
What?
Look at this playlist, man. I'm gonna go all the way up. Look, this is where it starts. There.
I buddied her too. Where's Savani? Where's my wife? My wife! Oh wait, I know exactly where she's at.
That's why you should know your
Oh wait,
wife.
no. She went down there. Isn't she beautiful, guys?
Give her a little spin around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes! Jay, look! Yes!
You better hurry up and trade.
Yes!
Did you just get a green spike collar?
No, it's this way. I thought he got a spike collar, man.
Where is she? Where'd she go?
Yes!
Oh, she's probably in. Oh, she's in the wolf cave. The wolf.
Yes!
There you are. I'm gonna tell her she's on video. She's on video. She married a famous not famous, but a YouTuber. She married a YouTuber. She said maybe. What's her on a YouTuber?
I don't think you could say that. That's what you wanted. I know I want to run over, but no! I'm sorry, I want the full set now.
Now he wants the full set. Well, you could have asked. Wait, we didn't have our tablets. You could have asked J-Man for it, Blue Whale. Blue Whale, you could have asked J-Man for it.
Wait, I brought the sheep?
Oh, by the way, guys, this is another thing. If you howl, a spirit wolf will come out. Do you know that a spirit wolf is a girl?
Yeah, I was like, what?
Got the spirit
By the
wolf.
way, there's a bunch of secrets in Jama. And there's some, like,
There's a bird if you dance at a dance.
in Serapia Forest. There's the Jama Township statue of Mira. If you dance, she dances. There's the one in the Lost Temple of Z. What do you call it? The phantoms come out. Oh god.
Yep. See, the spirit wolf came out.
No, I want my. No, I want my.
Oh my goodness! What is what she's doing to us?
What is wrong with you? By the way, J-Man #1's dirty.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
He said, "Oh my god, look what she's doing to us."
She's howling.
Yeah, if you have a dirty... I'm talking to you, Watch It 2017. If you know what it looks like, don't put it in the comments. Please, thank you, and thank you.
Yeah. But just so you know, I'm not... I took that how dirty is your mind. My mind is 50% 30.
Yeah.
So is Lunatics.
Hey!
Hey!
And she's also dirty. So, you can't call me dirty if you're dirty too.
How about my spike brick spin?
I was only 15.
I'm going to tell them that they're all on video.
Now! I want it now!
Want what now?
My spike
And
brick.
do not take that dirty.
My spike brick
Wristband. I'm like, what do you want? You keep saying, I want it now.
Come on, come here.
Don't laugh.
Where are you? Where are you?
Don't laugh, J-Man. Don't laugh.
He always need a good laugh once in a while.
Sure you do. We've been laughing since yesterday. The thingamajigger is up and away.
Bruh.
Go, 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 go. On an adventure. We're flying with the
cannon
cannon
hat
today.
today.
We're off to its seek. The I don't know. I gotta think of an episode what he said. I can't think of one right now. Look at Evie choose.
This is her favorite spot. My wife's favorite spot. I can see why she likes it so much. It's so graceful and majestic.
I like Epic Wonder. That's my favorite spot.
Hey, where'd she go? Oh my gosh, where'd she go? Oh, Den Depot.
She must be getting a new den. Who knows?
Den Depot. Wait, is she getting a new den?
No. She just went here by accident.
Yeah, probably.
Sadly.
I'm about to ask her, are you getting a new den? And
But she said yes.
I'd have been like,
Which one?
No!
She could've said the princess.
Come on!
It's okay, Blue Whale.
No, she's gonna give me back my spike brick spin, but I've created a rare item.
Bruh.
and she's in her den. My wife's den is
I don't have a
lit.
rare item.
You need like a rare mat, like a rare. Buddy her.
I already did.
Okay, now that you buddied her, try to go to Epic Wonders, and then they have like go to the den items.
I
They
already
have
spent all my money.
Bruh.
how much money do I have?
Oh, what? I have 4%?
I have 4,390. I could probably recycle some stuff. Oh man, it's at 9. Okay, guys.
Spike wrist.
I might end this soon, but I'm just gonna recycle
You
some
better
of the
keep
stuff.
your eyes on that time this time.
Eyes on the time. Hey, that rhymes. Yeah, you can get a bunch of stuff for some sets, but I'm just gonna trade that. And that. Man, I'll get 6,000 something, or maybe even 7,000 something.
Yeah, she put it on the page.
How much do I have? 6,520 gems. Wow.
I have 9,000.
The other way you can earn gems is by games. I'm really good at checkers.
You know why I have so many gems?
Pretty much, yeah.
You know that I told you I met a guy on Animal Jam?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he kept asking me to play games. I just kept playing games with him all night.
Mm-hmm.
It was just, like, weird, though.
Yeah.
Of course, he kept winning.
Yeah.
I mean, he didn't keep winning. I won sometimes, but he's pretty good at the games.
Mm-hmm. He must be a pro.
I like her mechanical dragon.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Once this video hits 11 minutes, I'm about to end it because I don't
You
want to
can-
go too overboard.
No, you gotta look at it. You gotta keep your eyes on the time. Just like, you have like 5 minutes left, so you're good.
Yeah. Okay, so
You can do it up to exactly 15 minutes.
you.
Like, something. I don't know.
I might go up to like 14 minutes, and that's it.
That's how much I go up to. Alright, let's see.
So this is my wife, guys. We're gonna have a baby tomorrow. She has.
Ask her how she's feeling, in fact.
Not monkey mine so she don't follow me either.
You.
Good, I didn't follow.
How are you?
Oh yeah,
feeling?
my tablet is charging. Alright guys, I'm about to make a video. Bruh.
She said good. Okay. You excited about baby? About the twins. We're having twins, by the way. You excited about the twins tomorrow? She said, yeah. Two minutes.
Alright, let's watch this. Hey!
What?
Adrian. He said, what the?
Adrian, what are you on YouTube?
All I can hear is you typing.
About twins. We're having twins, by the way. Alright, we got 1 minute, guys. I'm just about to show you. I'm just about to go to this one last thing. Oh yeah, guys, I'm about to show you this. Just to show that, just to prove that she is my wife. Just to prove. I'm about to put up the heart sign at her, and I bet you she'll put the heart sign back. Where'd she go? She probably went to my den. I know she went to the wolf
She
cave.
likes that wolf cave.
Yeah, that wolf cave and that Coral Canyon is basically her place to be. When it's crowded, she'll go find somewhere else. Alright, guys. I'm gonna have to start wrapping this up, but I'm gonna have to put the love sign at her. Where is she? Where'd she go? Did she go over here? No. Where'd she
You said
go?
14 minutes. You got a minute to find her.
Okay.
See how fast you can find your wife.
Come on, please don't. There. Of course. There she is. Okay.
I wish I had the video of the marriage and everything, but the time went overboard, so I couldn't post it. I'm sorry, you guys.
Okay. See? Told you. She is my wife. Alright, guys.
I planned the marriage.
All
if you
right,
ever
guys.
get to get married or anything on Amajam,
Call on Looney Tunes.
Sylveon2326.
Alright, so see you guys.
Subscribe to me and him.
Yep, I need more subscribers, guys.
So we'll see you guys
Later.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Tomorrow when the baby's being born.
All right,
See ya.
bye.